Hey guys, what's up? Today is Wednesday and I'm in the shop getting some things done. I've been doing a lot of little things today. A friend of mine came over, resawed some thick pine boards he's doing for an island. So that was first thing this morning. So I had to tweak my bandsaw a little bit, adjust the guides, and get the dust collection hooked back up on it and all that good stuff. So that was first thing, and then I got the air cleaner that was up here, got it down. That's it right here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but yeah, I'm not real sure. I might just take it apart and I don't know what I'll do. I might just throw it away or burn it or something. I'm not sure. So got that done. Oh, I got this done. So the miter saw is, the cart that it sits on. I moved the shelf up so I could hold the spindle sander and the little belt sander down there, and then I attached the shop vac to the side of it so I can just hook this thing up to the miter saw, spindle sander, or the belt sander with this one hose. And so that's where the hose sits, inside that little shelf. So it works out pretty good. I'm not sure if this is going to be a permanent solution, but for right now, that's what I'm going to do with it. What else did I do today? I got a lot more of course, my table's a mess because I've been doing little stuff here and there, and then when you do that, you kind of get everything out of its home, and it's just sitting there. So I got to put all this stuff back before I leave the shop today. But one thing I did do today is make this. Now it doesn't look like anything special right now. I haven't sanded it or anything, so it's still rough and uneven. But this is what the phone is sitting in. Just a piece of plywood on the back. This was a part of a 2x that was in my kids' scrap bin, and then some old scrap walnut panels that were not being used. So I just cut them out to trim this out to kind of give me a lip so the phone doesn't fall out. I've got to go back and add a spacer at the bottom because when I push this phone all the way down, this back camera that I'm using now is blocked. So I have to hold this or pull it up like this. And it's a snug fit, so it won't fall, but I'm just going to put a spacer at the bottom. That way I can just push it all the way down and that'd be it. So let me go ahead and set this into place. Kind of show you how it works. See, if I push it all the way down, that's what you see. So I got to pull it up just a little bit right there. Now I don't have to hold the phone anymore, and looks like a pretty steady shot. It's kind of weird to being a cell phone. But anyway, so I can turn the camera around the shop like this, or I can show you up on the ceiling or on the floor, that kind of thing. So it's actually working out pretty good. And I think this probably would be good for live streaming. Yeah, I have to make sure my phone is charged up because I don't know how I would charge it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. It's working out pretty good so far. And then, like I said, I'm gonna turn it around and show you with the other camera view. So anyway, all right guys, that is what I've been doing today. Just a bunch of little things. Still have some things to get to put up in its place, but I'm definitely making progress. Air cleaner is next week. The video that's going to be taking that out, putting the new one in, and then the following week will probably be the lumber rack organization type thing. I'm going to have another little unit that is like a mobile cart for big sheets of plywood. I'm actually going to have two different ways to carry plywood. One's going to be that little cart, and the other one's going to be like a little handheld deal. So for all of you that handle sheets of plywood, that might be of interest. And then back here on this wall, like I mentioned, that's going to be the lumber rack here. So that'll kind of give me, this is going to be my shots for these videos, and that'll give me a nice lumber rack, more of a wood shop feel for my backdrop, because I'm going to have, I don't know about this sign, I got to figure out where that's going to go, but I'll have this in the view just for branding and keeping those images or logos in the videos. So I'll figure something out about the sign. I kind of like that being in the background. But the main concern about this whole thing is the sound How does this sound? Can you guys hear me okay? If it's a considerable amount lower, let me know so I can do something a little bit different. If it sounds the same, perfect. Just let me know down in the comments what this sounds like and what do you think about the picture. All right, guys, see you later.